Okay, grab a reusable bag. Let's go with you. Okay. Hello everybody. So we are going to go grocery shopping at my favorite store ever, Trader Joe's. Okay, well, I think my car died because... So we are going to walk to Trader Joe's. So Trader Joe's makes me feel like how Target makes other people feel, happy and excited despite spending money. I love food, I love eating clean, so here are a few of my favorites. First, I look through my handy dandy grocery list or else I'll forget things. Their opal apples are one of my favorites. Their organic ground meat is reasonably priced. And I love that you can find really cheap things as well, like their taco seasoning is 79 cents. Their marinara sauce is also really good for the price, and so I always like to have some on hand. Then I always get their organic veggies to make salads with. And if you're looking for a dairy-free cheese alternative, their soy cheese melts so well. I am very impressed considering other cheese brands are not that great. This balsamic glaze is also very convenient to have on hand to put on salads. I haven't had these chicken burgers in a while, but I remember them being good and their ingredients are really clean. So I'm going to get them for this week. Now on to the snacks that I love that aren't that healthy, but they are so good. Puffcorns that taste like pirate's booty, cornbread crisps that taste like cornbread for reals, and you can even add it to your soup. These spicy cheese crunchies are like the healthy alternative to hot Cheetos. And these spicy rolled tortilla chips are like healthy versions of Takis. Okay, I'm home after walking to Trader Joe's, which is really not that big of a deal. I'll deal with my car later. It's fine. Not a big deal. Things happen. But I thought I would share with you guys what I bought, why I bought it, what I'm going to make with it, and all of that. And of course, everything can be bought at Trader Joe's. This is not sponsored, although it'd be awesome if it would be. But I shop at Trader Joe's pretty much every week or twice a week even. But if you want to save money, try to only go to the grocery store once a week. Okay, so I bought lettuce and I'm going to make a taco salad with this lettuce. I'm just gonna chop everything up, and I always try to buy organic as I possibly can. Next, I've got some chicken sausages because I'm going to be making chickpea pasta with chicken sausage. I also bought this organic rainbow cauliflower because, you know, more veggies. And honestly, it doesn't make a difference if you buy frozen or if you stir fry your veggies because they lose pretty much the same amount of nutrients either way. Unless you're eating raw broccoli, that's the best way to get all the nutrients, but otherwise just eat your greens however way you can. Next is this berry medley. I plan to make some healthy drinks with blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, so this is perfect. Also, I know Trader Joe's is working on trying to use less plastic. For now, this is the way it is, I guess. Also, taco seasoning for my taco salad. This verde sauce is so good. It has a tiny kick to it. For me, it's not spicy, but if you don't like anything remotely related to the word spice, then it might be too hot. But for me, it's delicious. This brown rice, okay, I'm such a bad Asian, but I don't own a rice cooker. So sometimes I'll make rice on the stovetop, but this saves me so much time, but I will buy a rice cooker maybe next month so that I can stop buying this. But for now, this makes my brown rice come out perfectly and it tastes so good. It doesn't taste like those weird packaged instant rice that you would find at, I don't know, Vaughn's or something. Their marinara sauce, I've tried making marinara sauce by myself and it just doesn't taste as good. I don't like tomatoes, but I like marinara sauce, and when I've made pasta sauce myself, it just straight up tastes like tomatoes, while this actually tastes like herbs and garlic and all this other stuff. I know I'm weird. I love ketchup and pasta sauce, but I don't like tomatoes. Like plain tomatoes. Here's my turkey. So I'm going to basically mix my turkey with my seasoning, and then that'll go on top of my taco salad. And I got my chili lime chicken burgers. And this guacamole is $4, but you know how guacamole always turns brown? Well, this is separately packaged, so it stays fresh until you open it. So there's individual packets that you can pack for lunch. I know, it's wonderful. And then I got some apples that I'm going to put in my fruit basket. Yeah, so thanks for coming along with me during my grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I buy and all of that. I try to eat as healthy as possible, but sometimes I eat food that I just am craving or that I enjoy, and there's no need to feel guilty about it because our bodies work so hard. So go ahead and enjoy your meals, but also give your body what it deserves. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Okay, now time to put all of this away. Oh.